it's what is it? It's $295 a month, and then I think we do like $20 to $25 for electric a month. Pay $50 for internet, and like $20 every 3 months for water. So it's not bad.
지금 볼링을 마치고 집으로 돌아가고 있다. 와, 사람 아무도 없네. 밤이라서 그런가? I just talk Korean.
Well, I definitely can't.
I will edit it. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I know.
Oh man. Yeah, I don't think anyone's out tonight.
Just record everything. You know?
Yeah, it's quiet.
No one's in street. No one's on the street.
No, because it's
It's Sunday night. They have work or
Yeah,
class tomorrow.
it's Sunday night, so not everyone's out at the bars. That would have been yesterday or Friday. So it's nice and quiet. A few people walking around are probably just, I don't know, heading home from different places. So,
Yep.
so is it
This one, yeah.
this building?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pull over.
Yeah, just here.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right.
Thank you for riding.
Yeah, of